Hi, welcome along, and in today's video it's a big shout out to Mr. Alan Wainwright who left this request. Thank you so much for getting involved, Alan. This is Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. I'm going to be showing you three different ways of playing this. So first off, we're going to be doing there's a finger picking part that runs all the way through. Then I'm going to be showing you the lead guitar riff that happens in the song. And for those of you that are at fairly beginner level and you're not up to finger picking, or you don't want to, you just want to strum it through, I'll be showing you a basic strum through of the song so you can get involved too. So if you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar based tutorials. So with all that said and done, go grab your guitar, let's get stuck in. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, let me show you how that's done. So, first off, we're going to be up on the 8th fret with our first finger. So we're 8th position, basically. So let's bring that closer to the camera for you. So, 8th position. So we're going to have our first finger on the B string, 8th fret, and we're going to have our third finger on the B string on the 10th fret. Okay, so what we're going to do with that, our third finger on the 10th fret, we're going to strike the string and bend up. So we're going to carry it all the way up and all the way down. So you get that, strike it and then send it up, and then you want to keep the pressure on until you're all the way up and all the way down. Okay. Okay, and then first finger, 8th fret, B string, so you got, and then back on the 10th fret of the B string. So all together, and then do it again. And then you're going to land your second finger on the 9th fret of the G string. So just to recap, bend up on the 10th fret of the B string. Got it? So we've got that. And then we've got the second bit is, then what we're going to do, this is the bit where we go up. We're going to go, bend back to it again. And then first finger, 7th fret of the E string. And then we're going to follow it up. 8th fret of the E string. So we've got, and then what we're going to do, we're going to be third finger on the 10th fret of the E string. Right, so we're going to strike it and then send it up to the 12th fret. So we get that. And then we're going to come back to the 10th fret again. Okay, so strike it, send it up. So all together then, so with the bends we've got, so we're going to be 10th fret, B string with our third finger, bend it up, bring it down, first finger, 8th fret of the B string, and then back onto the 10th fret of the B string. So all together, then do it again, and then we're going to be 9th fret of the G string. So we got, and then we go through the same process again, and then 7th fret of the E string, 8th fret of the E string, then strike once on the 10th fret of the E string, sending it up to the 12th and back to the 10th. So all together, let me bring it right up close to the camera, it'll be really helpful for you. So here we are, really close. Here we go. So we've got, Okay, one more time. Okay, let's get on with the chords. Now, chords, we're going to do a little bit of finger picking. So, the way we're going to do this is, so it's going to sound like this, the actual song. And so on and so forth. So, the pick pattern, as I like to call it, with our fingers, we're going to be on the D string, B string and E string, and it's going to go, so if I call the string numbers out, so we're going to be 3rd string first, so G string, so 3, 2, 3, 1, so 1, 2, 3, 2, so 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Now that stays constant through the song, what the fingers are doing. It's what the thumb does, the bass note is what changes, okay? So we're going to go, for a G, we're going to be striking that low E, which is the note of G, because obviously we're holding the note of G there. So it's going to sound like this for a G. And then we go down to a D, which we're going to strike the D string. And then chord of C, we're going to strike the A string. And then D. Okay, so let's just bring all that together. So first off, we've got a G. D, C, back to D, then repeat. D, C, D. Then you go back to a C. This is the bit where, and then I ask her, do I look all right? C, D, and then this is the bit where we've got what's known as a step down. We're going to go G, just like that for this bit. So it's going to go G, then drop it down to the 2nd fret E string with our 2nd finger. So it's going to go, and then E minor, top, bottom string, bottom E. And I say, yes, you look wonderful, C. Then to D. And then start over. So let's go through that step down again. This is a bit, one more time for you. So it's sort of like half the pick pattern for the G and the step down. So, and then E minor, the full pick pattern, and then C, D, and then so let's go through the verse again for you. So we've got G, D, C, D, G, D, C, D, C, D, step down G to the step down to the E minor, C, D, G. Okay, so let's go through the bridge now. This is the bit I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. So we've got C, I feel C, D, G, step down, E minor, then C, D, C, C, D, how much I love you, and so on with that. Right, so if you want to, if you're not big on finger picking, or you know you're having trouble with it, or you're a beginner, that's perfectly fine. I want you all to get involved. So what we could do, we can go. So a little down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Got it? Nice and easy. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Common strum pattern. Think of it like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, with a down at the beginning. An extra down at the beginning. So you get the down out of the way, and then you go down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we're going to go through the chords again, in case you missed them the first time around. So it goes G, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. C, D, G, D, C, D, back to C, and D, and G to the step down to the E minor, then C, D, and then G, bang the D, then to C, and back to D again, and then the next verse. Okay, bridge for you again, just in case you missed it. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. So we've got C, then D, and then G, step down and E minor, and C, D, C, and D, 2, 3, 4, 1. So there we have it, Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below. And also, why not do what Mr. Alan Wainwright did for this video and leave me a comment down for the next song you'd like me to cover in the next video. Always like to hear from you. I'll read all the comments. It's lovely for you to get involved. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. Also, head along to danielberryguitartutor.com, where I also offer Zoom lessons. So if you fancy actually having a one-to-one lesson with me, you can head along to the website, and there's more details on there as to how you can get that done. Right, so with all that said and done, it's been lovely having you along. I'll meet you in the next video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.